Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, in this video we will do some changes in our previous lab, and we will connect both floor together with the trunk. In between switch we will create one more connection we call trunk. So let's see how we can do this. First of all, I will change the IP scheme again according to the previous diagram, and if we say to this site, this is floor 1, and this is our floor 2. So we try to keep the matching scheme, and this would be easy to connect each other. So PC 7 and 8 with the same subnet here, like PC 1 and 2 have. So we just fix the IP addresses. Okay, we will do some artwork. So we are defining as a yellow, and this side we say like blue. Okay then. Now our job is to connect these two switches. How we connect? We will use the trunk. So because these are same devices, if we connecting the same devices, we have to use the crossover cable. Because PC and switch are different devices, we used a straight cable, and switch are the same device, same type of devices, so we will use a crossover. So here we are using gigabit connection for fast transmission, and here also we using gigabit port. Okay, for the simplicity we can define these PCs 1 and 2 to another department, PC 3 and 4 in other department, like here PC 7 and 8 and PC 9 and 10. We can define them the sections, so we can figure out in the future which section is connecting to which section. Like we say this is sales. These are the common examples. You can write any name. So in the second floor also we have HR department and sales department. Okay, so sale will communicate with the sales and HR will communicate with the HR. So if we go to the switch and we see what is happening here. So far we had nothing. There is no configuration. Even gigabit port has nothing. So we have to configure this port as a trunk. And here we will define its host name also. This is switch 2. And we want to create the trunk, so interface gigabit 0x1 switch port trunk. So the trunk is established. You can see they are communicating each other. Okay, let's see first. It shows green, so it's trunk establish automatic. Not yet. Okay. Okay, so far trunk is established between gigabit connection here, and now this PCs, PC1 and PC2 can communicate with PC7 and PC8. Why? Because they have the same subnet and the trunk is connecting these two switches. So if you go to PC1, okay, so we clear the screen. So far, okay, now if we do the ping from PC1 to PC4, you can see they talking each other. But you ping to HR, they will not. Same as if you dial from HR, like if you ping from HR to HR, they will talk. Same as they cannot talk to sale. So this is the second simple lab. There is no VLANs, no some special things here, only simple layer 2 connectivity with the cables and IP addresses, which is static IP for the PCs, and no IP address is defined on the switch, just only plug and play. The only thing we did here, the trunk between two switches on the gigabit port. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next class.